In this video, we will see how to disable dates before or after a specific date in the jQuery UI Datepicker. We have already seen how to make dates non-selectable using beforeShowDay option in another video. That is, using beforeShowDay, we can make specific dates. Say we want to disable all Saturdays and Sundays, or we want to disable some of the holidays in a date picker. In that case, we can use beforeShowDay option. But to disable dates before a specific day, we will be using minDate option, and to disable or to make dates non-selectable after a specific date, we will be using maxDate option. So while using minDate and maxDate, we can specify the date in a date object format, in a number format, and also in a string format. We are going to see how to do this. I have already created a basic HTML5 document, and I have added references to the jQuery UI files. We have already seen how to download the jQuery UI files and add references in another video, so I am not repeating it again. This is the jQuery UI.css file, and this is the jQuery UI.js file, and this is the jQuery.js file. Now what we have to do, we have to create a jQuery UI Datepicker. So for that, input type equals text and let the ID be calendar. Okay. Next, how we will make it a date picker? We have to add the script section, script, and within this $document. We have also discussed how to write the jQuery code easily. You can see that video to understand how easy it is to write the jQuery code. So $document.ready, within parenthesis function, open and close parenthesis, open and close curly braces, and next we need to make the element a date picker. So for that, we need to access the element using its ID. So hash calendar is the ID dot date picker. Now this has become a date picker. Let us see how it appears. Refresh. See, when I click, I am getting a date picker element. I can use these arrows to move to the next or previous months. See, and I am also able to select a date so that date will be appearing. It is 06 is the month, that is June 10th 2015. So by default all the dates are selectable. Suppose you want to disable all the dates before 8th, that is only from 9th you should be able to select. All these dates all these dates are selectable, but you want to make these dates non-selectable, or you want to disable till this. So how we can do that? Here you can use the minDate option. So here within this you need to specify the minDate option. minDate, D is capital. Suppose you want to disable dates till 8th of May. That is, the minDate should be 9th. How we can specify the minDate? You can specify new date. You need to specify the year first. So 2015. Then the month. The month is May, isn't it? See, here it is May 2015. So May is actually the 5th month, isn't it? 1 is January, 2 February, 3 March, 4 April, and 5 May. But here it starts from 0. That is, January is 0. So instead of 5, you need to specify 4. So you can specify here 4. It is only because that January starts from 0. Then the minimum date. Suppose you want to disable till 8th, including 8th, then the date should be 9. Now let us see after making this change. refresh. See, now you cannot select the dates till 8th. Even you cannot go to the month April because all the dates till 8th including 8 is disabled. So only from 9th you will be able to select. Suppose you want to specify the date starting from today. So for example, suppose you want to disable 2 days before, till 2 days before, that is only from 14th you should be able to select. In that case, the current date is 16th May. So you can specify, instead of new date and all, you can specify -2. Okay, that is from today previous 2 more dates will be enabled. Let us check it. See, today is 16th, 15th and 14th are enabled, but including 13th it is disabled. That is, you will not be able to select. Again, one more option is there, that is you can specify in the form of a string. We have discussed date option, that is using new date, year, month and date. Number is like +1, +2, like that. For example, here we have added -2. If you add +2, you will be able to select only from after 2 dates. Refresh. See, today is 16th. So 16th and 17th is also disabled. Only from 18th you will be able to select. And the third option is in the form of a string. Here you can use Y to specify years, M to specify months, W for weeks and D for days. So for example, suppose you want to select only for 1 month. So how will we add? It should be -1 month. So let us see how it is appearing now. See, only from 16th to previous month 16th you will be able to select. Next, this is minDate, that is to select dates before a specific date. Similarly, you can specify maxDate. maxDate, say new date 2015, comma, say I want to select till July. So it should be 6, 10th. That is only till 10th of July will be selectable. Let us see it. Refresh. May, June, July. See, only till 10th of July you can select. Again, suppose you specify maxDate to minDate to -5, and when you specify a number you don't have to put it inside double quotes. Only when you specify it in the form of a string you need to specify the value within double quotes. So here suppose I specify +5. So how will we able to select the dates now? Refresh. See, from 16th 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more dates, and after 16 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So by specifying a number only that many dates will be selectable. And again, suppose you specify here as 1 week plus 3 days. W is for week and D is for date. So save, refresh. See, from 16th 1 week means till 23rd and 3 more days means 1, 2, 3. So like this you can make dates non-selectable before a specific date using minDate option and after a specific date using maxDate option. Suppose you want to disable all dates before the current day, that is till today all dates should be non-selectable. Then how will we specify it. You can specify it as -0. Okay. Now what will happen? Before that, let me show you -1, how it is appearing. File save, refresh. -1 means today is 16th. So from 15th it is selectable. So if we want to make dates from today only selectable, then it should be -0, or you can specify just 0 as well. 0. So only from today the dates will be selectable. All the previous dates will be disabled or non-selectable. So using minDate and maxDate, you can make dates selectable before and after a specific date. beforeShowDay option is used when you have to make only specific dates non-selectable. Here using minDate and maxDate, we are actually making dates selectable. beforeShowDay, on the other hand, using beforeShowDay, we are making dates, required dates non-selectable.